Okay. You okay, Georgia?
No, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's going on?
Are you allowed to play?
Am I allowed to play?
Yeah.
Yeah, but do you want Dora instead? She's fine.
Yeah. Georgie, I think you meant poopy.
Dora, do you have to go potty?
Can I come smell you?
Good roll, Dora. But you go, and if you need help...
You come get me.
Yeah.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
Georgia,
Seven.
did you make a poopy?
Seven.
Seven.
I was playing.
Did you make
Yeah.
a poopy?
Let's go play.
Georgia, you're gonna poop the
Let's
entire
go play again. Let's go play again. Let's go. Mommy, no, don't go.
What are you gonna play with?
Are you want to play?
Sure, I'll come play. Go, go, go.
No, I want to play
Okay.
with her. Then you're gonna play.
Okay.
No, I want.
Go, go.
Go, go, go.
Okay, go, go, go.
Then we'll go.
Okay.
And you play.
Okay, go, go, go. I'm coming.
I want you to play.
You think that the giraffe likes to eat flowers?
Yeah.
Girls. Dora. Dora, Georgia. Look up, girls. No, look this way. Look at mommy. Or Samantha.
You're very quiet, Dora.
You gonna take the picture or?
Oh, it's on record.
Oh.